welcome to Campo Life. Daily update on the birds. Yeah, let's pop to it. Saul's getting more and more like dodgy every day. We've got Pepper there, keep on being with her. We've got Thingy, Luna there, Astro there, and a little koala there, or a tiger. Yeah, so obviously, get the video going. I said I was going to do the cartoon chicken pen, so yeah, let's do that. There's water now, so yep, there's water. Let's do it. First we get our broom, which is some crusty musty old broom. So we get all the floor wet, nice and wet. Get mojado. Get me wet. Magic. Yeah, just get it all wet. There we go. You can tell when it's wet. So just goes dark colour. And yeah, that's about it. Now we just empty the bowls. Let me rinse them bowls. Just put a little bit of water in them. Ay, mierda! There we go. Rinse. Rinse. Rinsed. Rinsed. Now we fill up the bowls. Mierda, where'd you go? Hi, Mom! My mum is coming down and that's cool. Alright, so while let's leave that filling up and then have a look around. To the camera. That's my mum. She's very pretty, I know, right? Aww. And yeah. Yeah, so basically what's been happening is that Mum's goose Pepper, sort of pregnant, been attacking her. Yesterday she bit her toes and Mum was like, oh, I wish I was filming it, man. That would have went viral, definitely. Yeah, actually, excuse me. She's hissing. I think she's gonna. Yeah, look, she's gonna. Get the broom! Get the broom! Get the broom! Hey! No. So yeah, look, with me, she's fine. With me, I mean, he runs away. That's all he does. Let's go and empty the pool. There we go, we got my mum trying to be friends with Pepper again. I don't think Pepper, maybe once it's laid our eggs, she might become a little bit less protective. But yeah, we got that. Thank you. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, these two are great guard gooses. Like geese. I was thinking. Yeah, so you know they're pretty good geese. So now what we do is we just get the broom, get that, and start cleaning. Ever slightly.
You're so handsome, Frank.
What?
So handsome.
Alright.
You are. It's ridiculous.
I'm not if I'm handsome. I think I am.
No, look at his face. Look.
Yeah, look at me. Mum, do you want to do the video of Rambo with me today?
Yeah, if you want.
Alright, so you've probably seen my mum in that video.
Hey, Astro.
Unless you have to clean.
No, Mum, my boots. Hey, Salty. No,
Hey, Salt.
no, don't attack Mum. Be nice. Be nice.
Hey.
Hi. You're so aggressive. And then there's little Luna, pretty girl. And the newest addition, Tiger. That's Quail, who's pretty shy.
Mum hasn't really been with the car that much.
No, it's in the car that much.
Oh yeah, guys, every day I can.
I've got to get out of here because my boots.
Alright, I'll see you in the Rambo video, yeah?
Yeah. Here you go, I'm going to pass you. There you go.
Thank you. Alright, so yeah. That's that. There's just clean. Thank you, Mum, for filming as well. So yeah. That's my mum. And yeah, that's cool. Try and fill up this guy's thing. There we go, got it. That's all you need. Now this is all empty. What we do is we just rinse around it like that, and then let that soak out. I've got it pretty clean. It's pretty clean. And this algae, it's because it's like in the summer, it looks pretty nicer, but like because it's winter, the algae grows on the floor, so that ain't that great. But just bathing in that, like Pepper, I'm doing your bath right now. Let's put that in there. And then put that lid on. Let's go and get the birds some grass and some seed while that fills up. Yeah, I got it filling up there. Pretty cool. I'll bucket. There we go. Some over there. Some over there. Some over there. There we go, that's all that. Pick up some of these little bits for the little quail. He only eats about that much. I said he, but I meant she. Anyway, now let's go and get him some seed. Push just gone and spilled that whole entire bowl. Now I'm gonna have to bloody... No dear, that's gonna be rubbish, isn't it? Why isn't this focusing? There you go, look, focused. See what I mean? That's just rubbish. There we've got Pepper, he just got out of the bath. Lovely, look at him. On my bucket! What we do, we just, like I've already just put something in there. Fill it up until it's about halfway. So yeah, we got our, let's see, let's go and put it down there. So yeah, I filled that up. That's filled up, and then just go and put our thing, and then we're done. So yeah, it's a bit of a longer video, I think. I'm not sure. I'll have to wait until I edit it. Get up there real quick. Pretty safe. We just got all bloody birdseed in my bloody charger port. Yeet. Woo! They're all over me. Yeah, look, they got their food. Gonna take a bit out of that and give it to the quail, and then yeah. We're done. Got a little handful. Pass it to the quail. There we go. All done. See you. Bye, Pepper. Bye, Salt. Bye, Luna. Bye, Astro. I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. This is going to be a wrap up for the video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to be posting the Rambo video with my mom today as well, obviously. And that's about it. See you guys in a bit. Peace.